Welcome to Indian Motorrad. Here are 5 things that you must know about your motorcycle. 1. Your brake fluid level does not indicate consumption of brake fluid. Once the brake fluid reaches to minimum level, it indicates to change the brake pads. 2. Never accelerate your motorcycle while cranking or starting, else this would upset the air and petrol mixture and make the engine difficult to start. 3. You need to lubricate the drive chain after every 300 kilometers of riding. Otherwise chain and sprocket life will decrease and you may hear abnormal sound. 4. Check for the engine oil level and coolant level after every 2,000 kilometers. To decrease oil change frequency, use fully synthetic engine oil. 5. Never cut wiring harnesses to add any aftermarket accessories. It will void your warranty and may create short circuit in long run.